Okay, we have water that is being repelled, which means that we don't have, again, a prior chemical that's coated on here. And I'm going to apply now one more cycle of this. And now, what I see here is, I should move this around. This is now drying very quickly. The record is drying very quickly with that agent that I put on. So this will be the last 5-minute cycle for this record. And what you do is you work the edges. That's where the hands and the fingerprint oils are. And you do not have to repeat this process ever again because the release agent is gone. It's no longer on the record. What you do is maybe do this every, if you play this record once a month and whatever, diligently, well, you maybe want to do a 5-minute cycle in the machine, once every 2-3 years, just to remove the oils from the edge. But you don't have to strip out that release agent anymore. There we go. There we go. So another last 5-minute cycle.